so accomplished in life. I feel so happy. I feel so relieved. I'm so proud of myself despite life's ups and downs, despite the hustle in life. There's this video that normally pops up on my phone on IG whenever I'm online, and I so much love those videos. Is some sort of how you should live your life, how to become more girly, how to be the alpha woman sort of. So kind of videos have really pushed me to the woman I'm becoming and the woman I am. Yes, it has bridled me, it has groomed me. I don't know, that video has been a lifesaver for me. I can boldly say that I'm a loner, not really a loner because I'm having my siblings with me, but yeah, I can say I'm friendless in quotes, or not sort of friendly. No, that is not the word. I don't have so much friends. I don't have all those cliques of friends for like going to 7 years now. Yeah, so I've been all by myself, and most of the motivational, should I say motivational videos? So most of those kind of videos that normally pops on my phone on IG has been a lifesaver. In fact, it has been my friend since I've not been having the human being kind of friends. Yeah, so it has bred me and molded me to the woman I am today. And I can say for a fact that I'm really proud of myself. I know I'm not where I want to be in life, yes, but I'm certainly not where I used to be. So I'm so grateful to God for that, and I'm so proud of myself. You can take a glance at me and you can see that there's nothing like tattoo on my body, and you can see there's nothing like double piercing and all those sorts. It's not as if I don't like it, but I like it, but I'm a kind of person that is reserved and all of that. So I would love to be seen as that, and definitely I'm having younger ones and also elderly ones. If the elderly ones did not do it, and of course I was looking up to them, and then I had the feelings of doing, but I chose not to do. And yes, I'm also having a younger one. In fact, younger ones are also looking up to me. So I don't know, me not doing that, I feel even when they have the urge and feels to do some certain kind of things in life, once they look back or look front to their elderly ones, to their elderly siblings, immediate elderly ones did not do, your distant elderly ones did not do, so why should you do? I don't know if that makes sense. Yeah, so at times in life you might certainly feel like doing something, but when you take a look at where you're coming from, you have to put a pause to that, or a hold. In fact, you got to stop thinking of such. Yeah, so I've basically written some things down on my phone. Yeah, and it's about my life, to be honest. My life at 27. I was just taking a brief thought about my life this morning, and I can say for a fact that yes, I'm accomplished, I'm happy, certainly I'm proud of myself. It has not been easy, for real. It has not been easy. It has not been a bed of roses at all, but still yet we give God all the glory, we give God all the honor. I'm happy, I'm stable, I've got my loved ones around me. It is something to be joyous about. It is something to be grateful for. One thing I know about most of the videos I've been watching, so those certain kind of videos I told you about previously, was that I've learned something about gratitude. In fact, this one specifically, I learned it from a YouTuber. I'll be putting her handle somewhere around this video. So yeah, I've learned something about her, which is gratitude. For real, even while I was growing up, I knew how to be thankful for something. My mom might just go out to the market, and once she gets me any random thing, whether it fits in or not, I'll just be grateful, I'll be happy, and then I'll be thankful. I will have to thank her. Yeah, I was so intentional about being thankful over people around me, but after I watched this particular video, it dawned on me that I'm meant to be grateful and show gratitude to God Almighty. So yeah, for real, I'm so thankful to God. I give him all the glory, I give him all the praises. Majesty should be accepted unto his name and his name alone, because for real, this God loves me. He's being cautious of me, he's aware of me, he guides me. You get, he has been with me, and I'm so thankful for that. I'm so thankful for him. I'm so thankful that he knows I'm living. I'm so thankful that he's intentional about me. Yeah, so guys, these are basically things I will just coming to my thoughts as I was by myself at home this morning. So I started to write it down on my notes. So yeah, I'll be reading through it. Yeah. So now here's how my life went today. Yeah. I literally woke up early today, being, what's today's date again? Wow. Today being 25th July, yeah. I literally woke up early. Oh, taking the lights. Yeah, I sang my praises and worship to God as usual, normal. And then I said my prayers, yeah, with my family, of course. Yeah, I made an upload last night, so I basically surfed the internet for my YouTube upload, which I made last night, as I said earlier. Yeah, it wasn't giving, as it wasn't what I was expecting it to be more than the way it was. The interaction, the traffic wasn't what I was expecting, guy. But it's all good. Then I cleaned up my room, the store, and the kitchen. Yeah, the kitchen store, and then I cleaned up the kitchen. I made lunch. I made our lunch, and then I made lunch for my dad. Yeah, we do eat separate meals. Yeah, and then I had an idea. This idea came in to film this kind of video. This was the idea that came, and then I filmed. So this is me literally filming. So yeah, if you are my age mates or maybe my age mates, yeah, or thereabouts, please, I need you to be grateful to God. I need you to be practicing this one, this one practice, this one tradition. I know that your life might not have turned out the way you wanted it to, but for real, my dear, you are alive, and it's a whole lot. So long as there's life, there's hope, my darling. So please always be thankful, always show gratitude, and show love. If you love yourself, okay, and show love, practice love among every other person around you. Let everybody staying close to you or around you feel that love, okay? Be happy and stop being sad. Don't overthink things. I know at this age, sometimes some persons they do run into depression easily. So don't take things too serious. Don't take things too personal. If you aim at getting married, write it down. Anything you really want to do, write it down. Be intention about things you want. Like me, I've got a journal. I've got a journal. In fact, I wrote down the kind of things I want. I'm telling you that this video really groomed me. Yeah, at times when I woke up in the morning, I have my daily affirmation every day. I make these affirmation. Yeah, I wrote it down, and then I'll be making this affirmation to myself. I'll just hold the mirror, and then I'll be saying it to myself through the mirror. Yeah, so you can say, I am mesmerizing, I am powerful, I am beautiful, I am living a luxury lifestyle, I am loved, I am admired. You say these things into the mirror, look into yourself, and then you mean it. And I'm telling you, before you know, everything will be, falling into place. Everything will be aligning for your good. Everything will be, surfacing, will become a reality. So don't just stop overthinking things. Instead of you overthinking things, you start making things happen. The little you have, put it into work and start making things happen, my darlings. Everything is possible, okay? Everything is very, very possible. Only if you believe. So just believe in yourself and believe in God. He is the best friend you can have. He is your cheerleader. He is the best cheerleader you can have. Okay? He is your motivator. He should be your priority. He should be your mentor. Okay? He should be your celebrity. So put yourself first. At this age is the age you're supposed to be, you are having the energy to do every kind of thing you are supposed to do. But take it gradually. Do not overstress yourself, not overthink, not overdo too much, okay? And eat, okay? Eat. This video is already done something else. Yeah, eat, take a lot of water, interact with your immediate family. You cannot trade these people for anything. Immediate family, make memories, lovely memories you will love to flash back to. Make memories with your immediate family, love them, make them know you love them, share love at events or occasional time, gifts, exchange gifts, spread love. Please, this life is an easy life, but for only those that have planned it. So just be intentional about yourself, intentional about the people around you. Tell them you love them and mean it, okay? Not just by saying it, mean whatever you're saying, okay? And do not forget, believe in something. If it is God, good and fine. If you're a Christian, please be strong at it. If you're a Muslim, be strong at it as well, okay? Believe in God, have a routine, have your day all planned out. Stop winding away your time, okay? Be intentional, be realistic, think critically, try to be the change that everybody wants, and you yourself you want. So try to be the change. The change starts from you, okay? Share love, try to solve problems, okay? Problems you don't need to break a leg or a waist to solve. So try to solve problems, spread love, Yeah. So guys, I really don't I actually just, you can see I did not even plan for my video to be something like this. This was the aim. My life at 27. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, that was the probably like that was my plan. So I don't know, this video really fluctuated. It went through ups and down, but at least I'm aware I've sent a message, and I'm very sure I'm communicating to some persons. Okay, so just do the needful, do the right thing. I know nobody's a saint, nobody's perfect, but you know, just do it right. And remember, there are younger ones looking at you. I don't want to. Funny enough, if I should like sit among some of my learned friends, and then I tell them about my channel, I tell them the kind of interactions I'm having, I tell them my struggles, how I normally upload and everything do go south, not having enough engagements, pulling traffics and thereabouts. Guess what they tell me? They always advise. I don't know that it's an advice, but I don't normally buy the advice, right? The idea. They normally advise me, or rather, should I say, tell me that I should, make my content catchy, make it, some sort of thing. But all of those things they were telling me, it does not sit well with me, and I don't think I would be proud of it, or proud of myself if I should pull that kind of a content. So guys, I don't really want to do things that in a decade time or in 2 decades time, and then I look back at it, I won't be proud of myself. That's not the life I want to live. That's not the tomorrow I'm planning out for myself. So everything I want to do, everything I'm going to be putting out here is what I want to be proud of in times to come. So it's not all about the subscribers, it's not all about the dollars, the ends. I'm also intentional about my personality, how people see me, how people carry me, and the way I carry, the way I carry myself as well. So make hay while the sun shine. Let us see. Whatever you are doing is worth doing well. Yeah. So guys, catch you on. Make yourself useful and productive. Bye.